Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2004 Honda Rebel 250. This is Honda's entry-level cruiser. Has a 250cc 2-cylinder engine, carbureted, 5-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. Bike has very low miles, only 5,129 miles on the odometer. This bike is in great condition, like new tires, front and rear. The 250cc engine makes good power. Nice backrest, luggage rack. Great for beginners, low seat height. Lightweight, great around town, great around on gas, and priced very well at only $22.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach us at 408-730-0600.